Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from CloudGem.com. Google Calendar gives you your own calendar, but did you know that you can create one or more secondary calendars in addition? So why would you need something like that? Maybe you have events that you want to share with the world. In that case, you can create a dedicated calendar of events and make them public. You can even embed them in your website. Or maybe you want to keep team members on the same page or schedule them for events and let everyone on the team see the schedule. What you want in this case is a team calendar. So how do you create these separate calendars? Let's create a team calendar together. Go to Google Calendar, click the plus sign next to other calendars, and click Create New Calendar. Name your calendar, write a description for it, and then click Create Calendar. Now decide what access permissions do you want to give. Do you want to make this calendar public, for example, for events, or not? Or do you want to make it public within your organization? And also, who among the individuals, for example, in your team, should see this calendar? If you give someone make changes and manage sharing access, basically you are giving them owner rights on the calendar. When you create an event on your team calendar, make sure that you select the appropriate team calendar from your list. Then invite team members that this event pertains to. After you save this event, the event will show up not only on the team calendar, but also on the calendar of the invited people. You can find many creative ways to use secondary Google Calendars. I'm curious how you use them. Drop me a line to let me know. If you find these videos helpful, please like and subscribe. If you click the bell, you will also get notifications when a new video goes up on the CloudGem channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.